Welcome to this video on PLC programming laptops. We'll cover the specs that truly matter for electricians. Think of this as defining your mobile workshop for the modern factory floor. First, let's establish a field-ready mindset. Your standard office laptop simply won't survive the harsh environment of a control panel. You need ruggedness. When it comes to RAM, 16 gigabytes is the absolute minimum. PLC software like TIA Portal is memory hungry. Aim for 32 gigabytes if you run virtual machines or manage legacy controllers to avoid frustrating hangs. For processing power, focus on clock speed over core count, as many PLC tools are single-threaded. An i5 is fine for basic maintenance. Choose an i7 if you're developing large projects or running simulations. Forget mechanical drives. In high-vibration industrial environments, HDDs will fail. You need an NVMe SSD for fast, shock-resistant storage. 512 gigabytes minimum, but 1 terabyte is preferred. Connectivity is crucial. A native RJ45 Ethernet port is non-negotiable. You need multiple USB-A ports, as USB-C only can be a headache. Also, ensure support for high-quality USB to serial adapters. Your laptop must be built for the grind, facing dust, moisture, and extreme heat inside cabinets. Choose hardware with MIL STD810H ratings to ensure durability and protect your investment. Battery life versus screen brightness presents a key trade-off. Programming under high bay factory lights requires high brightness, which can cut your battery field time by up to 70%. Be aware of this compromise. Here is the spec checklist summary. Maintenance techs can target an i5 with 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes SSD. System integrators should aim higher. i7/i9, 32 to 64 gigabytes RAM, and 1 terabyte to 2 terabyte storage, plus more ports. For screen visibility, the matte finish rule applies. Avoid glossy screens to reduce glare and clearly read complex logic. 1080p Full HD is the sweet spot. 4K can make icons too small for precise touchpad clicking. Our top 3 recommended series are the Dell Precision/Latitude for robust configurability, the Lenovo ThinkPad P series for reliability, and the Panasonic Toughbook for the absolute roughest environments.